Hi everyone! The best time to upgrade to a heat pump is typically during the spring or fall when temperatures are mild. This is when HVAC companies, like ours, have more availability, and you can avoid the rush of peak heating or cooling seasons. Installing a heat pump during these off seasons also allows you to take full advantage of its efficiency when temperatures rise or drop. Plus, upgrading to a heat pump now could help you save on energy bills and take advantage of available rebates or incentives. For more HVAC tips and informative videos, please follow us, like, and share this video.